Best deals. Features a user-friendly design utensil drying rack providing ample space for a variety of kitchen supplies, crafted from premium quality. These organizers are designed for maximum durability and sturdiness in kitchen utensils drying rack. Its robust construction ensures it can hold various kitchen supplies without bending or breaking. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Pot and pan rack. With 7 fully adjustable compartments, the spot rack adapts to fit various cookware sizes, from small lids to large pans. This ensures that even your oddly sized or oversized pieces have a secure spot. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dish drainer. In the kitchen, it can be used as a dish drainer or a drying basket for utensils. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bamboo plate stand. Made of sturdy and durable construction. Unique wide base supports large and small plates in a compact size. Low profile design holds plates firmly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dish drying rack. Can be easily removed from the drip tray. So, you can transport your dry dishes to a more convenient place. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pan organizer stand. It's strong and durable. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dish drying rack. Rack is designed with 2.5 degrees tilt angle which will help dry water into the sink automatically. Utensil holder features with drainage holes to keep your utensils dry and clean quickly. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage rack. Made of high quality metal that is a rust resistant, solid base for stable hold with its non-slip foot mat design, utilizes it in any place of the house, including bathroom, cabinet, coffee table, kitchen organizers, storage racks, countertop, pantry, craft room, living room, shelves, and more. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Plate rack. Made from stainless steel material, nickel chrome plated, and is durable. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Plate holder. Hold plates or glasses firmly upright to prevent cracking or damage to delicate dishes or glassware. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Dish drying rack. Provision of a slanting surface at the bottom for quick water drainage from washed utensils into the sink. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Corner trolley. The rolling storage cart has a lightweight but durable construction equipped with wheels that is sturdy and longevity. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Matka stand. Made of 5 mm thick wire and stainless steel material for trustable durability, longevity, and anti-rusting properties, not easily deformed. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Bowl storage holder. It can organize bowls, pot lids, container lids, cutting boards, seasoning packets, has ventilated bottom design so it can drain water, ventilate and dry, keep dishes dry and prevent bacteria from growing. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Pots and pans organizer. Perfect for big stock pots and more, like enamel cast iron pots, heavy frying pans, shallow pots, ceramic pots, even pots with lids. The dividers can be adjusted to create custom sections for pots and pans of various heights. Cabinet organizer makes it easy to grab. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Dish drying rack. Extends to almost twice its size to hold more items when needed. Integrated plug can be set to trap water for draining later. Non-scratch draining prongs which can be easily removed for cleaning. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Small plate stand. Simple construction makes life simple. You can use it in the cupboard, cabinet and pantry for organizing. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dish drying rack. Features a user-friendly double-layer design utensil drying rack providing ample space for a variety of kitchen supplies. Kitchen dish drainer rack. The bottom layer is perfect for storing cups, boxes, bowls and dishes, while the top dish holder rack and cup holder optimize space. Kitchen drying rack. This multifunctional layout ensures every item has a designated spot. Kitchen dish rack, making kitchen organization effortless and efficient. Crafted from premium quality carbon steel, this organizer is designed for maximum durability and sturdiness. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Trolley will prove to be the best solution to any organizing of things and making your home or office neat. It makes cooking easy in your kitchen tidy by helping you place everything in the right spot to where it belongs. The perfect solution for organizing a multitude of items such as video games, bath soaps, shampoos, conditioners, linens, towels, laundry needs, craft supplies and more, storage vegetables, sneaks, spice jars and other small kitchenware in place. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Organizer. Meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, the organizer reflects precision and attention to detail. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Dish rack. Designed to provide ample space for all your dishwashing needs. With 2 spacious tiers, you can efficiently organize a variety of dishes, including plates, bowls, and cookware. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Trolley. Made of high-quality carbon steel with powder coating, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. It is resistant to corrosion, waterproof, and anti-rust, providing you with a reliable storage solution for years to come. It provides a versatile storage solution, allowing you to keep your kitchen organized. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Bottle drying rack. With its versatility, portability, and ease of use, it's the perfect cleaning solution for parents always on the go. It can be carried with you anytime, anywhere, whether you are going on a trip. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Trolley. Its compact design maximizes space utilization and keeps your items organized and easily accessible. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Fruit basket. This 2-tier fruit bowl is the perfect way to store your fruits and veggies on your kitchen countertop. The 2 tiers provide plenty of space for all your produce, while the bamboo construction ensures that your food stays fresh. The basket is also great for displaying baked goods or snacks at parties or gatherings. This 2-tier breathable structure is ideal for keeping fruits and vegetables fresh. Optimized airflow is the key to delicious produce. Each basket allows airflow from 3 different angles, allowing optimal air for ripe, delicious fruit. Each level of this large bamboo fruit basket can hold more than a dozen fruits and vegetables. In addition to produce, snacks, bread, pastries, and seasonings, this 2-tier basket can also be used for bathroom toiletries, household products, pantry storage, and more. Product link is given in the 24th link.